Okay, I thought that might be the case. We were in quite a bucket, a hollow container depression, and it's been a slow, long uphill coming out. We're not even out yet, but actually that roller coaster down, I don't know how many meters that dropped us, but that was where the problem sat, because the bloody coal was still stuck at the bottom there. We still, I don't know for how many k's we've been working our way out, 40, 30 k's out of house, still going up. I mean, it's been going for 10 or 20 k's, just going up, slow gradient out of that thing, and I can feel the temperature's already warmer.